Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we're going to be jumping into unboxing and reviewing my October base BoxyCharm box. Jumping into the full variation, trying all the products for you. We're going to do an unboxing, review, demo, the works. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, talk about the variation I got as well as what I think about every product in the box, stay tuned. I haven't done a giveaway in a BoxyCharm video in a minute, so I do have a spare base box coming this month. So if you want to win a full base variation, I have tracking for it, but it is not physically here yet. As soon as I get it, it's going to go right into the giveaway pile. So if you want to enter to win that full box, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below with, honestly, you can comment anything. You can say, hey, what's up? You can say, how are you? You can tell me the item you are most excited to get into your box. It doesn't matter. Just leave me a comment down below and I will enter you to win a full base box. Jumping into this variation, first time out of the box, I'm not going to be demoing on camera, but I have used it and I've actually gone through 3 of these, so you know I already love it. Actually, I skipped the theme card. I should do the theme card first, shouldn't I? The theme card is BoxyCharm Candy Shop, and it does say the save the date for the online pop-up November 10th, Boxy pop-up November 10th. That's where you can get like up to 80% off of BoxyCharm products. Not just Boxy products, there are items that have never been in a box. They're just super discounted. This is going to be variation 38. Now the first item out of the box. This is from Murad. This is the AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Retails for $40. This multitasking cleansing exfoliant is the ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliant help to clear dull, dry skin and improve penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It can optimize the skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. I can vouch for all of those things. I've gone through 2 bottles. They've gone through a rebrand, a repackaging. This is the old packaging, but it is the new formula. I was at Boxy HQ and in Joe's office, and I was able to take a look at it. I'm not going to break the seal on this one because once you do, based on that little note right there, it starts to expire. So I'm going to keep this sealed until I'm ready to use it. But I did get to smell, touch, and feel the one that Joe had in his office, which is, yes, the old packaging. However, it is the new formula. So you're getting the newer of the 2 formulas, which is actually, for me, not a great thing because I prefer the old formula because it smelled delicious. Actually, it smells like Tito's vodka. Is that weird? Anyway, this is an amazing product. I know I already love it because I've used the old formula, the new formula. I did prefer the old one, but the new one is still good. All right, the next item requires my base to be done. So I am going to go and pop on my base, and I'll be right back to go into the next item in the box. All right, my base is on to the next item in the box, coming from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Nesting Bitch Face palette. Retails for $32. Let me open it for you. This palette offers a beautiful shade selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and a creamy, glowy highlighter. These must-have buildable shades deliver great color payoff and blend out like a dream. They are developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfect for contouring your face. I think I already said, but it retails for $32. I'm going to be doing the cheeks out of here today. So grabbing my giant bronzer brush, I'm going to go with Son of a Bee, which is a little bit lighter. Tons of kick up in the pan. So hopefully it doesn't become too much on the skin. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a ton of product kicking up in the pan. So it is a very lightly pressed product, but it's going on really nicely. I'm going to take Hush Blush on the apples of the cheek. The blush I'm getting much less kick up on. So it just must be that the bronzer is super lightly packed, because the blush, like I'm getting color, it is picking up product, but there's little to no kick up in the pan. Just because why not, I'm going to add a little bit of Mirror Mirror, the luminous blush, right on top, and then Glimmers of BS for highlight. That's really pretty. I'm taking that on the Luna brush that came in last month's box because I'm still loving this brush. And you guys know, once I apply it, I do like to take my blush brush and just blend the highlight over the blush, just so that I don't get a stripe of highlight. That's really pretty. I'm going to be honest, when I found out there was a Beauty Bakery palette going against this, I wanted the Beauty Bakery palette. I did not want this. But now that it's on my cheeks, I think it is looking really pretty. I'm going to take a tiny bit more blush, just because the highlight is a little bit, I don't want to say ashy, but it's definitely lighter. So I do want to play down that white cast and really have some nice rosy cheeks today. Next, to lock all that in place, this is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Retails for $23. Prepared to be obsessed with this ultra-fine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a naturally radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. You guys know I do love to set my face with a mist. And you can let it air dry off the skin. I like taking the clean side of my sponge and just lightly pressing that setting spray into the skin, just because that's going to melt all of those powders into one another and have everything look like it is my skin. Well, I love the way this is looking so far, but there is nothing eye-related in this box. So I'm going to go off camera, throw my eyes, lashes, the works on, and I'll be right back to talk through the last 2 products in the box. All right, lashes, eyes, whatever are on. Time to jump into the last item in the box. I'm sorry, last 2 items. The first is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupacao Lip Butter Soft Lip Tinted Treatment that pampers lips. This does have coconut oil in it, which I am sensitive to, so even though it smells delicious and it is a product that I'm sure is beautiful, because again, I have used this brand on multiple occasions, this product specifically I'm going to have to drop in an upcoming giveaway, because again, I have a sensitivity to coconut, so I will not be using it. And it does retail for $20, but the last item out of the box is also a lip product from Ace Beauty, which I recently learned is a Black-owned brand, so I'm really happy to see this in a box. This is the Draw It Lip Liner Duo, retails for $16. Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. This includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. It did come in 2 colors, one that is a little bit more nude and one that is a little bit more red. Actually, it's very warm, so it's more like an orange red. I'm going to use the nude because I think the chocolatey nude will look really nice with this warm-toned eye. Let's try it out. Okay, so it is quite comfortable, and it is a pretty color, but it's not something I think I would wear on its own. The one issue I'm having is it is so creamy that it is really hard for me to get a sharp lip line because it keeps kind of feathering out of the line, and I had to take concealer and a little bit of powder just to touch that up. But I think it would be very pretty if I almost used it a little bit more as like just a lip tint under something else, like underneath a gloss or something. But the color is very pretty, and they did go on very smooth. So, to summarize everything in the box, this box in all, variation 38, has a retail value of $131, which for a box that only costs you $25, I think is amazing, especially because I was pleasantly surprised with that palette for $32, and that is more than the value of the box, plus the Murad that I absolutely love. So all in all, definitely a win for me. Make sure to subscribe so you can enter the giveaway, and stay tuned because my premium unboxing will be up, honestly, in like 2 days. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!